Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to turn off X or Twitter sensitive content settings. Start by opening the Twitter application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged in to your account. Tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a sidebar menu with various options. Note that the Twitter app does not have a direct option to change sensitive content settings. You will need to use a web browser to make these changes. Open your preferred web browser on your mobile device. In the browser's search bar, type twitter.com and navigate to the Twitter website. If you are not already logged in, enter your login credentials to access your Twitter account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon again located at the top left corner of the screen to open the sidebar menu. In the sidebar menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page with various settings options. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section contains all the privacy and security settings for your account. Within the Privacy and Safety settings, tap on Content You See. This section controls what type of content is displayed on your timeline. In the Content You See section, locate the option Display media that may contain sensitive content. Check the box next to this option to turn off the sensitive content warning. This will allow you to view sensitive content without any warnings or restrictions. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.